In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from a bank account to your Wise account. To get started, sign into your Wise account. Once you're in, go to the homepage and click Add Money. This is where you begin the process of topping up one of your balances. Next, choose the balance you want to add money to. Make sure you select the correct currency balance, since this determines the transfer details Wise will give you. After that, enter the amount you want to transfer. It's a good idea to double-check the amount here so everything matches later when you send the payment from your bank. Under the Paying With section, select Bank Transfer, then click Continue. Wise will now show you the transfer instructions you need to follow. Take a moment to carefully review everything on this screen. These details are important because they tell your bank exactly where to send the money and how Wise will identify your payment. Now, copy the account details shown on the screen. Depending on your region, this may include the account number, sort code, routing information, or other bank transfer details. If Wise provides a reference number, keep that handy as well, because you may need to include it when sending the transfer. Once you've copied the information, open your bank's website or mobile banking app. Start a new bank transfer, and when prompted, enter the Wise account details exactly as they appear in the transfer instructions. Accuracy matters here, so it's worth checking each field carefully before moving on. After that, enter the exact amount shown in Wise. If a reference number was provided, add it in the reference or memo field if required. This helps Wise match your bank transfer to your account more quickly and accurately. Before submitting anything, review the transfer details one more time. Confirm that the recipient details, transfer amount, and any required reference are all correct. When everything looks good, submit the bank transfer through your bank. Then, return to Wise. If you see the option that says I've made my bank transfer, click it. This can help update the status of your deposit on the Wise side. At this point, all that's left to do is wait for Wise to receive and process the payment. Transfer times can vary depending on your bank and the payment method, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Finally, check your Wise balance to confirm that the funds have been added successfully. Thanks for watching.